Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to talk about the Lama hydrogen peroxide sterilization HyPerPure technology. HyPerPure is a low temperature sterilization carried out with a vaporized hydrogen peroxide managed in deep vacuum conditions in order to successfully penetrate blister and medical paper packed products, eventually presenting complex geometries, narrow lumen, cavities and undercuts. The ingredients of this successful sterilization technique are the deep vacuum and the saturation of hydrogen peroxide vapors reached in the autoclave chamber. These two features make HyPerPure the only hydrogen peroxide sterilization technology on the market that can be rightfully considered fully reliable in terms of sterilization effectiveness and repeatability. The autoclave you see here is a 300 liters model specifically conceived for small batches production or as a pilot scale unit to be used for testing in view of future upscaling to larger production units. In fact, HyPerPure technology can be applied to a large range of sizes spanning from a small 150 liters up to 87,000 liters. The Lama is able to design this chamber according to the customer factory layout, loading capacity and specific loading methods. The custom design is basically our standard design. The HyPerPure technology encompasses a built-in hydrogen peroxide generator patented by the Lama and registered worldwide with the brand HyperGenesis. Now we are going to have a look at the inner side of the chamber. As you might see, the space inside the chamber is fully used thanks to a specific design of the trays that allow, thanks to their design and the innovative methods of construction, the full penetration of the hydrogen peroxide to the product. Inside the chamber, you can also appreciate the positioning of the temperature probes and of this specific meter able to measure the concentration of hydrogen peroxide vapor during the cycle in real time and in deep vacuum condition. The special hydrogen peroxide vapor generator can be fed with regular bottles of hydrogen peroxide available on the market, industrial grade in liquid status 35%. Customer can source this type of bottles wherever he better deems. The unit features also an inbuilt catalyzer, which is also a model available on the market and is maintenance-free. The HyPerPure series, beside hydrogen peroxide, only requires compressed air and electricity to be successfully operated. The exhaust of the units can be conveyed to the outside environment directly, since they are basically only consisting of oxygen and vaporized water. HyPerPure is a safe and environmental friendly as that. HyPerPure achieves the full sterilization in typically half the time than what is required for ethylene oxide technology. To top it off, it does not require separate preconditioning or quarantine room. HyPerPure is the all-in-one low-temperature environmental friendly technology you want to successfully and quickly face the carbon footprint reduction challenge, to slash toxic emission of ethylene oxide, to reduce cancer risk, yet not struggling with the complex and cumbersome sterilization by ionizing radiation.